Romania is calling skilled professionals in 2025 with major work visa updates. From increased quotas to high-paying jobs and faster processing, this video will tell you everything you need to know to start your career in this growing European hub. Here's what changed in 2024 and 2025. 1. The quota for non-EU workers increased to 100,000. 2. EU Blue Card updates make it easier for skilled professionals to qualify. 3. Employers must finalize contracts in just 15 business days. 4. Family reunification is now simpler than ever. These are the high-demand sectors in Romania this year. Healthcare. Doctors and nurses earn 2,500 to 4,500 euros per month. IT. Software developers and data analysts earn 3,000 to 5,000 euros per month. Engineering. Civil engineers earn 2,000 to 3,500 euros per month. Construction. Bricklayers and welders earn 1,500 to 2,800 euros per month. Hospitality. Chefs and hotel managers earn 1,200 to 2,000 euros per month. Even seasonal workers in agriculture can earn 800 to 1,200 euros per month. Here's how to apply for your work visa. 1. Secure a job offer from a Romanian employer. 2. Let your employer submit the work permit application. 3. Gather documents, passport, employment contract, proof of qualifications. 4. Apply for a D/AM visa at your local Romanian consulate. 5. Attend an interview, submit biometrics and get approved. Romania is offering endless opportunities in 2025. Are you ready to take the leap? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning to work abroad. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.